Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we are taking you on a journey with something truly unique and adventurous, the Toyota Motorhome 2026. This is not just a vehicle, it's an entire lifestyle on wheels, designed for people who want to explore the world without giving up comfort. The 2026 model brings together Toyota's reputation for reliability and efficiency with the growing demand for modern motorhomes that offer both luxury and practicality. Starting with the exterior, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 has a design that combines the ruggedness of an off-road vehicle with the sleek, modern look of a premium RV. The front end carries Toyota's signature styling with sharp LED headlights, a bold grille, and aerodynamic lines that improve efficiency while still looking commanding on the road. The body has been extended to house the living quarters, but it has been designed intelligently so that it doesn't look bulky. The edges are smooth, the roofline is slightly curved for better airflow, and large panoramic windows are placed along the sides to let in natural light. Toyota also offers different exterior finishes, allowing owners to choose between classy whites, silvers, or more adventurous colors. The rear features a practical ladder to access the roof and integrated storage compartments, making it both stylish and functional. Stepping inside the Toyota Motorhome 2026, you're welcomed into a world of comfort and luxury that feels like a home away from home. The interior has been carefully designed to maximize space without compromising on style. The cabin features premium upholstery, soft LED lighting, and a modern layout that gives you everything you need within reach. At the front, the driver's cockpit feels like a high-end SUV with a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment system with navigation, and advanced driver assistance systems. Moving into the living area, you'll find a fully equipped kitchenette with a fridge, stove, and microwave, making long trips more convenient. There's a fold-out dining table, comfortable seating, and convertible beds that make resting easy after a long drive. The bathroom is compact but modern, with a shower, sink, and toilet designed to maximize every inch of space. One of the highlights is the clever storage solutions hidden throughout the cabin, so you never feel cluttered even during long road trips. The panoramic windows bring in plenty of light and offer beautiful views of nature while you travel. When it comes to performance, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is built on a strong and efficient platform that balances power with reliability. It's equipped with a hybrid powertrain, combining a gasoline engine with electric motors to deliver both efficiency and the ability to handle longer journeys. The motorhome also comes with an all-wheel drive option, which makes it suitable for off-road adventures and camping in remote areas. Despite its size, the handling feels smooth and stable thanks to Toyota's advanced suspension system, and the regenerative braking helps improve efficiency. The vehicle also features multiple driving modes, allowing you to adapt whether you're cruising on highways, climbing mountain roads, or navigating through tight city streets. Toyota has focused heavily on making sure this motorhome not only performs well but also keeps passengers safe, with advanced safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance systems. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The Toyota Motorhome 2026 is positioned as a premium motorhome but still affordable compared to luxury RVs on the market. The expected starting price is around $85,000 to $95,000, depending on the configuration and optional features. Considering the advanced hybrid system, the luxurious interior, and Toyota's reliability, it offers great value for those who want a motorhome that can serve as both a comfortable daily driver and a long-distance travel companion. Higher trims with more luxury features, solar roof options, and off-road packages can push the price closer to $110,000. The Toyota Motorhome 2026 represents freedom, comfort, and adventure combined into one vehicle.